You are frog and I'm a cicada.
No, I'm a cicada.
You're cicada. Ping pong.
Ping pong. Game. The cicada and the fox. A cicada.
Yes. Sun.
On a hot summer day, a cicada was singing on top of a tree.
La 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 la. I'm so hungry. That cicada will be a great meal. But it's too high. How can I catch that cicada? Oh, I got this. Hello there. You are a really great singer. Your voice is beautiful and it makes me so happy. Oh?
Brody, thank you. I'm glad to hear you liked it.
I wish I could sing as well as you. Why don't I give you some fruits and you teach me to sing?
You want me to come down there?
Why not? I want to hear you sing a little closer.
Okay.
I
will go right there.
I'll be waiting for you. I'm a genius.
Genius,
Yeah.
Nizzy.
Thiên tài.
Hop.
Yeah, what this? Leaves?
I know it. Did you think I fall for a trick? I once saw a cicada waste in the fox's poop. I
Haven't believed.
since then, no way I'm getting down